Continuing with your investment decision chapter, we reached net present value. We will see now profitability index. Very easy one. Profitability index. PI. Profitability index. Very easy to calculate. Profitability index formula is P present value of future cash flows, whatever the present value of the future cash inflows, divided by initial investment. That's it. You will get like in a point. If it is a more than 1, it is acceptable. If it is a less than 1, it should be rejected. So what is the formula? Present value of future cash flows divided by initial investments. Here is one example. Initial investment is 10 lakh. So what is the formula? It says 10,000 initial. What is the present value of future cash flows? Here present value is of future cash flow is 9,677. Using same formula, NPV 9,677. Only you have to add inflows, cash inflows 0.87. So you will get 0.97. So this should be rejected. Why? If it is a more than or equal to 1, should be accept. If it is a less than 1, reject. Because here NPV is lesser, negative NPV, right? Negative NPV of something 300. So let's have this one. We have to add all these inflows, all the inflows divided by cash outflow. 49,995 plus 66,080 plus 11,265 divided by 1 lakh. It should be more than 1, so it should be accepted. That is all about the profitability index. It is also known as a desirability factor, present value index factor, PI, very famously known as a profitability index. So what is the formula? Sum of discounted cash inflows divided by initial cash outflow. If it is a more than 1, should be accept. If it is a less than 1, reject the proposal. Let's have example here. 3 different project given. Cash outflow is a 5,50,000 down. Inflow is given 6,50,000. So 6,50,000 divided by 5,50,000, 1.18. This is a one project. Here cash inflows are given in one set only. Okay, no need to calculation. Second question, second point, 95,000 is a cash inflow. What is the investment? 75,000. 95,000 is a cash inflow. Cash outflow 75,000. So 95 divided by 75, 1.27. Next one, 1,30,000 is a cash inflow. 1,20,000 is a cash outflow. 1.001. Which one is better? This one is better. It would be seen that it is in absolute terms the project tree gives highest cash inflows, yet it is a desirable factor is low. This is because the outflow is also very high. The desirability or profit index factor helps us in ranking various projects. Since PI is an extension of NPV, it has some advantages and limitations. What is the advantages? This method also uses the concept of time value of money, because it is used from the NPV, right? It is used from the NPV. In the PI method, since the present value of cash inflows are divided by the present value of cash outflow, so it is a relative measures of the project's profitability. What are the disadvantages, limitations? Profitability index fails as a guide in resolving capital rationing where the projects are indivisible. If the projects are indivisible, it won't work. Profitability index won't work. One single large project with high NPV is selected. Possibility of accepting several small projects which together may have higher NPV than single project is excluded. Correct. So that is all about PI, profitability index.